can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum. Over the last 1 week, ETH is up 8.6%. The last 24 hours has seen an explosion in the altcoin market. All coins are pumping front, left, and center. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, rose to as high as $3,300. Are we ready for that relief rally? How high can Ethereum go before the end of 2025? We look at Ethereum's valuation against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. Can we get to that $5,100 level? We also look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin on a weekly time frame. Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin since April of 2025. Can we end the year on a brighter note? Can we end the year with one big pump to the upside? We also look at Ethereum's market cap, which currently sits around $400 billion. Can we get it to $600 billion before the end of the year? We'll take a look at liquidation data in the cryptocurrency market. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, currently trades around $3,300. Fully diluted market cap, $401 billion. Over the last 48 hours, we have seen signs of life return back to the altcoin market. All coins pumping front, left, and center. As you can see, double-digit gains across the board in the altcoin market. But Ethereum is proving to be one of the shining stars. Ethereum is proving to be one of the leaders of this relief rally or blow off top to all-time highs, as the case may be. Ethereum right now is up 8.6% over the last 1 week, while Bitcoin, the king of the market, is down 0.5%. And usually, guys, that's a telltale sign we're getting to the end of the market cycle. One of the long-term signs we have been looking for to tell us that we're in the end of the market cycle will be Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin, Ethereum rallying to a higher price valuation than Bitcoin does. That will be a sign that the end is very, very near. We've seen Ethereum get to as high as $4,955. That happened in the month of August. Since the month of August, guys, we saw a huge decline in the altcoin market. Ethereum also went down. Since the month of August, Ethereum went from $4,900. We dumped to as low as $2,800, $2,600. That's how volatile things can be in the cryptocurrency market. We started 2025 on a very positive note. Ethereum was trading around the $4,000 level. For most into 2025, we saw Ethereum trading at $1,300, and that was in April 2025. And since then, guys, something magical has happened in the cryptocurrency market, because we have seen Ethereum start performing Bitcoin since then. Since April of 2025, Ethereum is up 142%. It was up around 250% in August. So right now, with Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin, you expect to be seeing more smart players running into Ethereum, more smart players flipping their Bitcoin into Ethereum. While we're in the market, guys, we're in the market to make some gains, we're in the market to make some money, and that money comes when there's volatility. And volatility in the cryptocurrency market is a future, it's not a bug. And where can we see such volatility? The altcoin market. That's why the altcoin market is very, very important, and that's why studying the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum, is very, very important. Now, key levels where Ethereum might face some difficulties over the next few days. I will not be shocked to see Ethereum rally towards $4,000 and take a chill pill. The $4,000 level has proven to be pivotal for Ethereum over the years. So either we're dumping to Goblin Town or we're taking a chill pill there way back in May of 2021. We saw Ethereum having some reactions around that $4,000 level. Rewind back to September of 2021, similar action. January of 2022, similar action. March of 2024, so Ethereum still doing that. December of 2024, and right now we have also seen it do that in the better half of 2025. That's August and September 2025. So I'll not be shocked if as we're ending the year, we see Ethereum continue its move towards high prices. Maybe we'll go above $4,000, consolidate. But $5,000 Ethereum is on the cards in 2025. We might see Ethereum even get to as high as $5,300, maybe higher than that. There's still a lot of pessimism in the cryptocurrency market right now. Sentiment in the market just quietly improved to fear. But yesterday there was extreme fear, last week there was fear, last month there was fear. We have seen the market since November stuck in fear or extreme fear territory. And I believe sentiment will finally improve. Sentiment cannot stay in extreme fear forever. The sentiment indicators are really good to greed or fear. The extremes is where market participants are always wrong. With Bitcoin trading at $92,000, Ethereum trading at $3,100, and the altcoin market relatively having a good time. Don't be shocked to see sentiment continue improving in the coming days and the coming weeks. As sentiment improve, a lot of market participants will start catching FOMO. As sentiment improve, you are going to see all coins increasing. All coins like Ethereum are going to enjoy the party, which leads us to Ethereum valuation against Bitcoin. If you are buying Ethereum, you want to make sure that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, and that's why we pay attention to Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin. Now, Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin is a very, very wonderful chart. We saw Ethereum dumping to gobbling down since September of 2022, where it was trading at 0.084 ratio level against Bitcoin. Since then, Ethereum is down by a whopping 57%. And by April 2025, Ethereum was down 78% from where it was trading in September of 2022. That was a crazy decline. That was unexpected, by myself included, by a lot of market participants. We saw Ethereum lose value day after day, week after week, month after month. But all good things must come to an end. The Ethereum dump cannot last forever. And since April, Ethereum holders have been eating good, even though in the general psyche, in the general mindset of market participants, Ethereum is still not performing well. But if you think about it like this, guys, if you have never heard about Ethereum and the first time you bought it was in April 2025, right now you're outperforming Bitcoin holders from April. You're outperforming Bitcoin holders by 102%. And the way I see the cryptocurrency market ending this cycle will be Ethereum still outperforming Bitcoin. That's one of the telltale signs. I will not be shocked to see Ethereum get to as high as the $0.047 level. Might find some resistance there, but $0.055 level looks very, very interesting from where we're currently trading right now for Ethereum to make a move towards that key price region. We need to see ETH pull up at least around a 50% move to the upside. You know how volatile the cryptocurrency markets can be. You never want to say never. All coins are very volatile like that. If you look at what Ethereum has done in the past, 1 week we're down in Goblin Town. Market participants are crying. It's all over. And the next week we can be pumping to the moon. We saw similar price action in 2017. We saw Ethereum dumping to Goblin Town. It took about 6 months, losing around 82% of its value. But when the pump came very swiftly. When the pump came, we saw Ethereum rallying back by more than 375% in just around 60 days. So you never want to say never about the altcoin market. Pay attention to Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin. When Ethereum starts following Bitcoin by a lot, start running for the hills, the end is not far off. Liquidation in the cryptocurrency market over the last 24 hours tells us that a lot of bears right now are getting liquidated. Bears are market participants that are betting. They are betting on lower prices, and over the last 24 hours, we have seen the prices go in the opposite direction. The last 24 hours, I've seen 113,000 traders get liquidated. Total liquidation is coming in around $423 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on HTX. One trader lost $23.98 million. And if you look at data in the cryptocurrency market, how is Ethereum performing over Q4? Ethereum is still down 20% in Q4. Bitcoin is down 18%. But if you zoom in the month of December, Bitcoin is up 2.28%. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. Ethereum is up 10% in the month of December. And with Ethereum's market cap sitting at that $400 million level, the next critical level for Ethereum's market cap should see us rallying to as high as $494 billion. And there's always that possibility that we'll set new all-time highs. I'm very, very optimistic always that greater things can happen. And with Ethereum's market cap finally getting to that $598 billion level, I will not be shocked to see us crack the $600 billion level from where we're currently trading. For Ethereum's market cap to crack that $600 billion region, we just need to see around a 52% pump to the upside. What will a 52% pump to the upside mean for Ethereum from where we're currently trading right now? A 52% pump to the upside, guys, we see Ethereum going from as low as $3,300. We will see Ethereum trade at an all-time highs at over $5,000. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. Ethereum is having a nice day, it's having a nice week. We're seeing big pumps in the altcoin market. Are you very optimistic on Ethereum's price? Are you buying more ETH right now? What price will you be selling your ETH for some sweet profits? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.